What is 11 times 10? Answer, 110. What is 25 times 3? Answer, 75. What is 38 times 6? Answer, 228. Multiply 842 by 2. Answer, 1684. What is 37 times 8? Answer, 296. What is 11 times 1? Answer, 11. What is 38 times 4? Answer, 152. What is 13 times 6? Answer, 78. What is 13 times 10? Answer, 130. What is 17 times 5? Answer, 85. What is 11 times 1? Answer, 11. What is 18 times 4? Answer, 72. What is 33 times 9? Answer, 297. What is 25 times 10? Answer, 250. What is 40 times 3? Answer, 120. What is 20 times 1? Answer, 20. Multiply 404 by 3. Answer, 1212. What is 27 times 6? Answer, 162. What is 33 times 10? Answer, 330. What is 80 divided by 8? Answer, 10.